Hey, my name is Nathan Hamlin. This is my 2002 WRX STI wagon. Went from a project car to slowly a track car over the years. Started out with the bodywork. It was a 2003 STI nose cut, 04 Outback tail lights on an 06 WRX rear end. It's a EJ257 2.5 turbo engine paired to some PNC ported IAG heads, and followed up by parent equal-length headers with a blue flag CP8 bearing, an oil turbo. Custom downpipe, external wastegate, adapter, 3-inch NVIDIA system for the rest of the way out. Various white line bushings, lateral links, sedan STI aluminum control arms, inverted BC Ram series coils, just a number of different chassis mods, some Stop Tech brakes, hawk pads, Brembo conversion.
And then why did you build this car?
I'm just kind of paying homage to some of the STI wagons that were created in New Zealand and Australia that unfortunately we never got.